Yo, what is up? Look, 2026 is almost on us. And let's be real, the whole new year, new me thing? That's cap. It's a meme. It's a moment. It's not a plan. If you actually want to stop feeling like a main character in a movie you don't control, you gotta stop chasing motivation and start stacking habits. Small steps. Consistent energy. Real, tangible steps you can do every day. I'm breaking down 6 habits that are a non-negotiable vibe check for 2026. This isn't just about grinding. This is about building a life that feels easy because you're in control. Let's dive into habit 1. Own your morning. You wake up. What's the first thing you do? Grab your phone, right? Instant dopamine hit. 30 minutes of scrolling. And now your brain is on defense before you even stand up. Stop. Imagine this instead. 30 minutes just for you. No phone. No notifications. No external noise. Step 1. Breathe. Stretch. Maybe 5 minutes of journaling. Dump all that brain fog on the page. No judgment, just thoughts out. Even writing 1 sentence counts. Step 2. Plan your day. Ask yourself, what are the 3 things that would make today a W? Write them down. Not 10, not a million. Just 3 wins. Step 3. 10 minutes of learning. Listen to a short podcast, read an article, watch a mini tutorial. Something that adds value, not just noise. Something that makes your brain feel awake. I tried this for 1 week straight. The first day, I felt meh. Day 2. Noticeable difference. By day 4, I was finishing tasks I'd been procrastinating on for weeks. The energy shift is real, not a gimmick. When you start your day calm, intentional, and informed, the vibes are completely different. You're owning your morning, not letting your phone own you. Now that your morning is owned, let's talk midday. Most people are working for 8 hours but are actually scrolling, answering DMS, and checking email like a robot on chaos mode. That's surface-level noise, not productivity. Habit 2. The deep work hour. Pick the one task that actually moves the needle. The one thing that, if done, makes you feel unstoppable. 1 hour. Pure focus. Phone silent. Notifications off. Tabs closed. No TikTok rabbit holes. Just 1 hour of undistracted mastery. Here's a pro tip. Start your deep work with a mini ritual. I like 30 seconds of deep breathing. 2 stretches. Then I open the task like a challenge. It tells your brain, we are serious now. 1 solid hour of focus beats 4 hours of half working. Half scrolling BS. It's about being effective, not busy. Next up, habit 3, the body check-in. You can have all the motivation in the world, but if your body is running on low battery, forget it. Non-negotiables. Sleep. Even 1 extra hour changes your focus. Pick a vibe for the night. Lights dim, phone away. Water. Keep a bottle on deck. Your brain literally performs better hydrated. Protein. Eat it. Energy and focus levels skyrocket. Move your body. Even a 15-minute walk or stretching session counts. Don't be stagnant. Think of it like this. Your body is the engine. Motivation is the fuel. But if your engine's low on oil and coolant, it doesn't matter how much fuel you pour in, it won't go far. Now we get to the real talk, self-respect and discipline. Habit 4. Keep your word. Simple, huge. Say you're doing something, do it. Send that email, send it. Clean your desk, clean it. Start that side project, start it. Even small, even unseen. Every follow-through deposits trust into your own bank account. Self-trust is the foundation of discipline. Want people to trust you? Start by trusting yourself. Think about the small wins. 1 tiny commitment you honor every day grows into a mental fortress of self-respect. You feel stronger, more capable. Like you're building personal armor against procrastination and excuses. Speaking of what's precious, your attention. Habit 5. Digital declutter. Your phone is a tool, not a master. Be ruthless. Unfollow the noise. Stress, jealousy, or annoyance. Mute. Unfollow. Your mental space is sacred. Delete dead apps. Haven't touched it in 3 months? Gone. Clear the clutter. Clear your mind. Stop auto-scrolling when bored. Boredom is your brain's playground for creativity. Let ideas form before you fill the void with noise. Remember, you're literally paying with your attention and your pace. Start getting a better ROI. Limit the scroll. Protect your focus. Finally, let's zoom out. Habit 6. Weekly reset. Every week, pull the emergency brake. Life moves fast, and without a reset, you're just reacting. Dedicate an hour. Sunday night or Monday morning works best. Clean your space. Desk, room, digital files. Clear space equals clear mind. Plan the week. Don't just note appointments, decide priorities. Choose your top 3 goals. 3 non-negotiable wins. Focus energy there. Do this consistently and life stops feeling like chaos. You're not just spinning your wheels, you're moving forward, always. Here's your 2026 blueprint. Own your mornings. Focus hard, deep work. Take care of your body. Keep your word. Discipline. Digital declutter. Reset every week. Don't wait for January 1st. Start today. Start small. First win is hardest. Remember, 1% improvement every day. Multiply that over 365 days, and by the end of 2026, you'll look back and say, yeah, I actually did that. I leveled up. No excuses. Let's go. Get started.